happens. Pero ano, during that situation, it depends.
They're like, oh.
If she's...
But it's not good.
It's not.
They will
Hindi.
laugh.
Masama yun.
Ano,
Oh, tama.
diba? So bad. You will feel bad because it's a lady. And it's,
Matanda?
yeah, no, it's
Bata.
not matanda. It's like, mother. Mother.
Kawawa naman.
It's like, mother.
Oo.
Kasi, she have a baby.
Meron?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I wouldn't.
Baby. Tapos, meron naman preggy. Like this to me.
Preggy.
I don't know, bunny. And sometimes, one time, I eat in a, karinderya. You know karinderya?
No. Ano yun?
It's like,
Calendar?
karinderya. Teka lang.
Cafeteria.
No. Oh yeah, it's like that.
Parang maraming lamesa dyan.
Oo.
Oh.
I'm eating there. And I
Food
eat,
court.
yeah, like that. I eat, please start clear. And I eat,
That's wrong. That, oh my
God.
gosh.
And I'm eating, kumakain ako ng tapsilog. You know tapsilog?
Oh, sarap yan.
Kumain ako.
Pero katayin sa
I'm
game,
eating,
boy, bo.
I eat.
Pare, try.
Sarap. Masarap pakain ko. Tapos, you know, the bata, make my food.
Bakit?
Because he want to eat that.
What?
It's yet. What? Amo?
Ako magtatanong.
No, ako na. No, ako na. You better run. P. Oh, you better run.
Siyempre niya.
Well, this one's not that bad.
The other one's really sticky, yeah.
Tama nga.
Pamo!
Yan masakit.
Ay.
Hindi kasi may tubig na yan eh.
Good. Oh, come on! Stop! Tumigil ka. Tumigil ka. Oh! Oh!
Oh, my hair!
Oh, syempre! Ilan dyan?
Wala.
Wala. Isa, dalawa, tatlo,
My
apat.
hair. It's not your hair. It's your hair.
Yuck.
Yuck! Yuck, Miguel.
Paring ano ito kay paring Kevin?
Shit, yun.
Kuya, wax daw po. Sabi paring Carlo.
Ano? Para sa ano?
Wala.
Did
Wax.
you cut that?
Para sa...
Weekly ta, sabi paring Carlo.
You will not.
You know what?
You will not
Joke, sorry.
like this.
Joke lang.
You don't. If you...
If I cut it.
Patay.
So, my task is to keep growing.
Sige! Sige!
Sorry.
What if you will cut?
Ay, go.
No. And this one.
No, don't! You're going to pull it.
I'm not going to put it.
No,
but
ayoko.
Up. No. You will cut that.
No, I don't want to. Think about being a guy, you don't have to cut your armpit. If you don't want to.
Joke lang. Joke lang dito.
What if nagising ka, wala ang kilay mo?
So, kilikili
It's okay.
And then nakita mo may shaver ako. Tumatawa.
Oh my.
I will kill you. Oo, if you do that to me. But if not, I will not. Baho mo, Bigel! Naligo ka ba?
Nung feeling mo, kapag
Hindi.
malapit ang bibig sa ilong. Di ba?
Hindi. Malapit yung kilikili mo sa akin. The mouth is near in the nose. Ito naman. Halata nagsisinungaling siya eh. Isa. They're not attacking pa. They're making calm muna. Tapos mamaya they're attack na. Tagal ng oras ah.
Hindi. 2 oras lang, hindi tagal.
Tagal.
Oh, syempre.
We walked
Okay. Ah, sakit dyan.
Yak, near mo na konti. Yung ano mo.
Oh my God.
Oh, sige. Huwag ka malikot. Ikaw ang likot mo, Kevin, ha?
Ako?
Oo.
Yan ang bakit sinabi ni Tony na kahit linggo-linggo, bawat linggo-linggo.
Oh. Ano linggo-linggo?
Weekly.
Weekly, linggo-linggo.
Oh. Ayusin mo. Linggo-linggo.
Sinabi
That's what we said.
Madam Tony.
Madam
Likot
Tony, what?
ka.
Ako. Ako. Ako, ikaw.
Ikaw.
Sure?
Replay. Kuya, replay.
Sure. We walked.
Kitty kid. The kitty kid.
Stop it.
Sige.
Mamaya, hindi na naman ako makakatulog na. Ay, sa bagay, hindi naman tutulog bukas. Sinisipon ako eh. Oh, yun. I see it.
No, you don't.
I see it. I see it again. Nababalo na. Ba't parang pag nakahiga ka, parang ang taba mo. Ikaw, kung nakahiga kang ganyan, parang ang taba mo. Siya.
Ano sabi mo?
Parang ang taba mo.
Bakit?
Pag parang wala kang muscle kung titingnan.
I don't know. Should I take my shirt off or something?
No. You don't need. Sige.
Ano? Tuloy mo. Yan ang isip.
Yabang. One hour pa.
Every time I go inside a house now, you're like, it's not bright because we're so used to so many lights.
Diba mas maganda ang kwarto nyo, no? Kasi ang ganda tingnan ng ganyan. Sa amin nakakaano, sakit sa mata, nakakahilo. Nahihilo ako. Stress, making more stress.
Hindi ko alam.
Amoy ano ka eh. Amoy ano
Baboy?
yun?
Lip balm?
Lip balm. Menthol.
Amoy bakla.
Uli ko ba mo? Yun o, puro kiliti.
Makiliti ka rin, no?
Ikaw din o,
Hindi, no? Hindi.
sa tuhod.
Hindi, dito lang.
Kilikili.
Yun, may
Ikaw,
wish
diba?
ako.
Dito din o. Ba?
Wish.
I don't like the vine. The vine, that. Jeez.
I don't like Carlo. Carlo's a mean, bunky man.
I mean,
Titties. So big.
Sa Tagalog ano yun?
Know each other.
Ano yung tinis sa Tagalog?
Suso.
Titty. Ay, tits.
Suso.
Yeah.
Dede.
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 Suso rin, di ba?
Oo.
Suso sa baba yun.
Suso ng nanay, dede. Pareho lang yun eh. Paano naman puntang si Bigel?
Maganda yun, may magandang pakinggan.
O boobs. No need to keep you what you feel. Say chi ha.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Grabe naman.
Hindi ko nakita.
Kakainis ha.
Oh, ano ko ginawa mo?
Wala.